In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple make.com automation that takes Typeform responses, sends them to an AI tool, and then outputs the generated result. We'll be creating a very practical workflow that connects three parts together. First, Typeform will act as the trigger, so the automation starts whenever a new response comes in. Next, we'll use an OpenAI module or a similar custom AI API to process the answers and generate text. Finally, we'll send that AI-generated response to an output step, such as Gmail or Slack, so it can be delivered somewhere useful right away. To begin, open make.com and create a new scenario. For the first module, choose Typeform and set the trigger to watch responses. This tells Make to monitor your form for any new submissions. Once that's selected, connect the correct Typeform account and choose the form you want to use. This part is important because the automation will rely on the exact questions and answers from that form. After that, add your second module. This should be an OpenAI module or a custom AI API module if you're using another provider. In this step, choose the action that creates a completion or generates text. The purpose here is to take the information coming from Typeform and turn it into a useful AI response. Inside the prompt field, map in the Typeform question responses. In other words, insert the answers from the form directly into the prompt so the AI has the context it needs. When writing the prompt, keep it clear and specific so the generated output is more accurate and helpful. Next, add a third module to send out the AI's response. A common option is Gmail if you want the result emailed, or Slack if you want it posted to a channel or sent as a message. In that output module, map the generated text from the AI step into the message body. This is what completes the flow, because now the form response is collected, processed, and delivered automatically. Once everything is connected, take a moment to review the mappings between each step. Make sure the Typeform answers are going into the AI prompt correctly, and make sure the AI output is being inserted into your Gmail or Slack module in the right place. Even a small